så afsom Leopard Senuas offer.
Druth was a troubled man, a scholar turned slave. They tortured him, took him with them on their raids, drove him to madness, spreading this new form of darkness to new worlds, to my world. Senua saw a deep connection form between the Northmen and the darkness. If his tales of hell were true, then that was the source of it. She learned everything she could from him, until she too could see what he saw. Have you ever died before? It's a serious question. When the illusion of self is shattered, you simply cease to be. Though it may not seem that way to others, you know when it is true. You can feel it. A stranger in your own body. An imposter. And nothing is the same ever again. Senua has died before, and she will do so again. You can be sure of that.
sterben.
She's injured. Behind you. Finished.
Yes. Oh. Oef. Ja, das ist super. Yes! Yes!
End it. End it. Now. This is near the end. They're winning.
The gate won't open.
She can't get through.
Why
Let's go
not?
to the gate.
She can't.
Why?
She's only done one test.
Just one.
She's
test.
only passed one test.
What's the other test?
Shit.
Is there another one?
Ich sage dir, die Fights sind so cool. Hey. Echt.
Dark magic.
Valravan, Druth said Valravan.
No, he didn't. She needs to pass the test. The second test.
She can sense the darkness coming.
She has to challenge Valravan.
There must be another test.
Valravan is magic.
If she wants to open the gate,
He
she'll
can
have
see.
to challenge Valravan.
Valravan, open the gate by challenging.
Hier wäre die zweite Tür, aber ich wollte schauen, was das für eine Hölle ist. Was ist das? Das da noch? Excuse. Was ist das da noch?
The Northmen say that in the beginning there was nothing but darkness. Bitter cold to the north, fiery hot to the south. They say the cold formed ice, which melted from the sparks from the south. The power of the darkness gave life to the dripping ice, and the first giant was born, and was named Ymir. The ice continued to drip, and the power of the void gave life to it, and it became a cow, whose milk fed the giant. That's right, a cow, but you weren't expecting that.
Was ist da unten drin? Die Hölle habe ich nämlich vorhin nicht gesehen. Du hast da nicht durchgejumpert, du bist kein Tomb Raider, hä? Ist das wahr? Das geht nicht, hä? Wenn ich mache, was ich will, das geht nicht. Kann ich jetzt tatsächlich nicht hochklettern? Ja, toll, gib mir auch die Tipp. Kann ich dort hochklettern oder nicht? Auch nicht. So, also.
Valravan, ancestor of the seers and master of ravens. He hunts his prey with his powers of illusion and feasts on their remains. Follow the path to Valravan and defeat him in battle to earn his mark. The gate to Helheim cannot be opened without it.
Okay. Das wird der Pfad vom... Hätte ich gesagt. Der Pfad von der Illusion. Da.
illusion hides the path to Valravn. Don't trust your eyes. Find another way to see the truth.
Falter illusion.
What's that? It's a door. No, it's not. Push it. Push it. Push it. What will happen? Come on. Come on. Push it. He did it. Something's different. Changed. Can you see it? She can't see it. Why can't she see it? Look around you. Can you see it? You can watch it. Look.
It's funny. We all want to see behind the veil, don't we? But once we do, we mostly just close our eyes again and pretend what we saw was never really there.
Oké. Het is turn off het eind, hè?
You gaze into the relentless darkness. All that lurks within it can see you too.
won't make it. It's not over. You won! Behind you. Quickly get up! They're coming! It's not over. It's not over. Keep going. Watch out! Look behind! Finish this! End it now! Get up quickly! Get up!
Oh, jetzt hat es mich wieder irgendwie getötet. du. Ups. Ja, du bist schon ein bisschen schwärzer geworden. Immer wenn es mich tötet, wächst das Jahr weiter auf bis ins Hirn. Es hat nicht mehr zu heftig gestellt. Ist schon weit oben durch mich. Ja.
You're close! There are too many of them. Find a strong position. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Watch out!
Komm.
She's hurt. She's injured. She won't make it. She's scared.
Aua! Scheiße! Scheiße! Du, es wird schwierig, ich sage dir's. Es wird langsam gerade ein bisschen schwierig. Aber es ist cool, das Fakt. Ich muss mich einfach nur konzentrieren. Ich muss nur auf die Stimme hören, also behind you. So Zeug. Da, du auf da. Machen wir noch eins. Die nehmen wir jetzt.
Finish this. End it. Find us your position. Don't let them surround you. Behind you.
Ah, Ja, shit, komm auf, komm auf, komm auf.
She can still do it. She's injured. She can still do it. Remember your training. She's got to die. She's hurt. She won't make it. Finish this. End it now. It's not over. It's not over. Do it. Coming. He's gone. End it now. This is nearly the end.
Doch, aber die Lenker kommt da nochmal. Ja, shit, die Menke kommt noch.
Watch out!
Komm auf, komm auf.
Behind you! Stop them!
Oh, ich hab's geschafft. Oh Mann.
The Northmen will not stop her. She will find what she's looking for.
Also die Fights sind schon echt... Die gehen die Finger durch. Und die Augen und die Nerven. Das ist cool, das ist Fakt.